Hello and welcome to court. I am so excited today because I was able to get my hands on something amazing for all of you. I hope my letter is reaching you well because today is an exciting day! Ah! Today is amazing. So I don't know if you've heard about this little thing called sugar. It is super expensive. It's super hard to get a hold of, but I was able to do it for you. Okay. I know. Oh my gosh. I haven't tried it. I haven't unjarred it yet. I wanted to be able to show this for all of you. So this is it. It's beautiful. I expected it to be smooth. There are definitely some lumps. I don't know if you can see that. In all of the sketches and all of the portraitures that I've seen, it looks almost like a liquid, so I thought that it would be smooth, but it is not smooth. And I haven't opened this yet, so it might be smooth, but it's definitely not a liquid. It's not like ale or mead or anything. But it is... It's really, really pretty. There are some lumps in there. And I hear this is all the craze with all of the noble people. I also hear that this is all of the craze with the Queen. Queen Elizabeth has been just like living off of sugar. And I've seen a lot of noble people with some black on their teeth. And at first I was kind of like, you know, like, is that supposed to happen? But it's so becoming, and I don't know if this is correlation, but like a lot of them have been having this and a lot of them have been having black teeth, and I just I love that, right? I love that. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, so right off the bat, it kind of smells like honey, but it doesn't. There's a little bit of a floral smell, but it's not like a flower. It is definitely, it's got a air of floralness. It almost smells like spring. Oh, I wish you could smell through this letter. I just wish you could smell this. Okay, I am going to touch it and just get a bit of a feel in my fingers. Oh, it is definitely grainy. It's kind of like sand. It's not sticky at all. And I think you have to have really large concentrations of this to be able to smell it, because I can't smell it on my fingers at all. Okay, now I'm going to taste it. I don't really know the best way to do this, and I was too afraid to ask the merchant because I didn't want to be one of those people. Like, I don't want to look like I just came into money because I married well. Like, I want to look like I'm established, but let's see. I'll just take a little. Well, the nuggets fall apart, so you can't take a nugget if you get this. Okay. Yeah, it's grainy. It's great. It's not bad. I'm not doing this because it's bad. I just thought the grains, they do immediately disappear as soon as they hit your tongue. I just thought it would be like a quicker process. It's good. I can see why the noble people like this so much, because it's good. It's good. I don't think that it would cause too big of problems, because I can always, oh wow, this is really gonna polish my teeth. I don't wanna use all of this because my family hasn't had a chance to have any yet, but I'm going to have to get our cook on this. Oh my gosh, immediately. Oh, I'm going to have to put this away. It's so good. Okay, so if you get a chance to go to your local merchant, and I know they won't let you touch the sugar, but if you get a chance to look at it, to smell it perhaps, oh, definitely do so. This is going to become a staple in my everyday life. I think I could have this quite literally all throughout the day. I'm feeling kind of like jittery and I'm like, I don't know if it's me or if it's like, if I'm just super excited, but I love this. I absolutely love this stuff. This stuff is so amazing. I can't wait to have more of it, and I can't wait to give this to my cook. I wonder if I could go buy some more. I should definitely go get some more. All right, thank you for coming to court. Oh my gosh, I love you guys. Thank you, bye.